Hello dear friends, magandang araw muli sa ating lahat. Ngayon muli tayo magluluto ng Korean noodles na kung saan in another way pero ganun pa rin na masarap. This is what kind of noodles we make. This is the best Korean noodles as you can see. After I make it soft, this is now this one. After I finish this boil, and then now is ready for frying. As you can see, every ingredient is now ready. Here is our sauce for the fried Korean noodles, and here is another ingredient supposed to be, this is a kind of minced pork which is just a leftover for the dinner, but to avoid from wasting food, we can mix it with this kind of noodles to fry. And here is the fried egg, and this is the roasted garlic, and here is our carrots, and here is our vegetables. And now dear friend, let us start cooking. As we can see, this one is already cooked, so we need to put it the first time like that. You can see that all is ready. This is our carrot. You just need minutes to cook for dear friends. You don't need to wait for a long time. You don't need to be very difficult. Just make it the things easy and it will be yummy. See, this is the vegetables, this is the bean sprout and soy sauce. Supposed to be very dry, dear friend. Don't put with water. After washing, drain the water and then you can fry it like this. This is my own way of cooking a Korean noodles or a Korean vermicelli. As we can see, everything is almost done. We don't need to make the food overcooked or else they won't be yummy and healthy. As you can see dear friends, this is now what happened to the minced pork. This is good for adults anyway, because we don't give leftover to the kids. Kids always eat fresh food and new foods. As you can see dear friend, we can now put our egg. You see, it looks very yummy now because the blending of the color is so pretty and beautiful. You can see a colorful combination, the orange, green, brown, white, and yellow. Always make food colorful so that when you eat them, it makes your feeling also cheerful. As you can see dear friend, now we can put our Korean noodles. As you can see, that is our Korean noodles. And our sauce, this is a mixture of sauce which combines the sesame oil, a little bit of soya, a little bit of fish sauce, and a little bit of sesame paste. As you can see dear friend, I will pour out that way, and you can see that the food will transform this way. As you can see dear friends, The Korean food, the Korean noodle is really looks very yummy now, and it is almost done. When you cook the food, dear friends, always make a good feeling. Always make a good heart. And keep your passion in doing of these things, because your passion leads you into a cheerful heart and doing, and then when you do the things properly, the result is always good, and it is always have a positive result. As you can see now, dear friend, see, the Korean noodle now is ready for serving, as it looks very yummy. See, as I repeat, we have here carrots, that's stripe of carrots, this is a fried egg, and a little bit of leftover minced pork. As you can see, dear friends, our Korean noodle looks very yummy. Not only yummy but also healthy, because it contains a lot of vegetables, carrots, choy sam, beans. The combination of this noodle is really enough for our meal. Noodles provides the carbohydrates that our body needs, and the fiber are the vegetables that we are going to eat, and the sauce is not so strong, because we always practice health is wealth, and we always avoid use artificial seasoning. And now, dear friend, that's all for today. This is our Korean noodles. To make it more tastier and more yummy, we can sprinkle it with roasted sesame seeds. As you can see, dear friend, this is a roasted sesame seeds. You see? Roasted sesame seeds. We can sprinkle it like that, and then ready for serving into a serving plate, and can put it now on the table. That's all, dear friend. Hope you are continue watching with me. While I am doing this, I am also learning, and I am also sharing. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing and keep watching, dear friend. Please likes and share. That's all for now. Goodbye. This is our easy Korean noodles. Thank you, dear friends. This is your friend in Chinese cooking and Asian delicacies, Janet. Thank you very much. Goodbye.